Now, this here last doggone fancy computer trick that Bobby Dwayne learned me so's that Isaac can learn you is what's it called a doggone punch and drag. And that there's where's a weza go to punching down on something with her doggone pointing finger, and while weza holding down on that there doggone mouse doohickey with her doggone pointing finger, weza canna be a dragging that there doohickey around to somewheres else like this right here. And weza canna punch and drag a bunch of different doohickeys on this here doggone computer. Weza canna punch and drag ish here like this right here, and weza canna punch and drag ish here like this right here. And weza canna punch and drag ish here acorn doohickeys on this here task K-bar doohickey like this right here, and weza canna drag ish here task K-bar doohickey around like this right here. And now weza gonna learn more about that there task K-bar doohickey and that there doggone task K-bar fancy computer trick that Bobby Dwayne done learned me so's Isaac canna learn you. Now looky here, weza canna even punch with her doggone pointing finger right here on this here four little winders looking doohickey like this right here, and then weza canna punch and drag ish here acorn doohickey from ish here start 'em up menu to her doggone computer monitor screen like this right here. And weza canna even punch right here with her doggone pointing finger, and then punch on this here doggone doohickey at the top of this here doggone window right here, and drag this here internet's window around like this right here. And weza gonna be covering all of them there ways weza canna punch and drag other doohickeys in a bunch of them there other fancy computer tricks too. Okay?